So what do I do have here? The 11 and then the max lens. You're gonna see it quick. This is how it looks like. Max lens mod. It's still there. I'm gonna try to install it here and see how that goes. So the camera is down there and you just twist this open. And because it's new, it really doesn't work. So how do you get this off? It's so tight on there, it's nuts. And I do have a pretty strong grip. If somebody has a strong grip, then me. Okay, let's use this trusty rusty here to do it. Okay, I'm going to put this on there. Put this on here, and there we go. Now, I just turned it a little bit. You see? Oh, it's crooked. There it goes. And then jiggle left and right when you pull it up. And that's that rubber ring in here what causes that to be, you know, if you want to say, sticky. So here is my Pro lens. Twist it on like this, all the way, there, and that's good again. It's not as waterproof as this. This is more waterproof than that. And it's not always this area down here that has to be waterproof. It also has to be waterproof where the glass here is glued into this. So it can go between the glass and the frame here, the water. So at a certain pressure. Let's protect this on this side. Now we have the max lens mod in here. Turning the camera on. And we want to go into super hyper view. Maybe we can see the lens on the inside. And go in here. Standard there. Lens. Hyperview. Okay, that. 513K24. We are here recording in 30 right now, this video, in 30 frames a second, so I'm going to go 30 frames here. I should go 8x7. 8x7, 30 frames. Then you have full on everything you can do. We do 10-bit. Bit rate, high. 10-bit. EV comp I don't want. Sharpness, I do the sharpest sharpness I can do. And wind we turn on because we're going outside. It's raining right now. Okay, so now the camera is ready to run extremely hyperview with the lens here. That will be like a special effect like you have never seen before. Turn it off and we go out there and try it. And then I attach that video after this one. Okay, so this is your best bet, the best setting if you want to record everything. Like really everything. So I'm sitting here and I can record everything. That is the setting where you record everything. You can still move it left and right with the horizon thing here. I can move left and right fast. I even have my fingers in here that is behind the camera. That's how much I can see. Basically everything. I think it rained. It rained. Yeah, it's all wet. I don't like that. Man. Yeah. This is how this goes. recording the whole thing. Lucy? Isn't that good? The whole world around me can turn. Look at that. There's my tiny solar panel that gets rained on today. And I'm not sure if it's making electricity. Sometimes you don't know. Even a little bit light could create something. I doubt it's going to be enough, but let's see what I have here. My battery is 98% full. I don't know how focused you can be, how focused. It does 1 watt in this light condition. 1 watt only. Yield today, 0 watt hours. Man, not so good. So yesterday we had a yield of 50 watt hours. We used right now, what do we use? Consumption is like 20 watts. About. We made 50 yesterday, but this is not gonna be good. So if I look at the sky, I can do a full sky view here. There's just rain clouds. Alright, so that's it now. 3 minutes, and I think this was a great video. So, quick one, that is 2.7K 60. This would be the setting the camera goes to when you have this lens mod on. And let's go over here. And you have the lens mod on with the lens mod setting. And only if you go close, you see how it distorts up there. Now if you want to compare this to the original lens, so without any, so the original and standard looks like this.